Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Sana malasing mo kami.
Okay, okay for the party. Message Danay, ha? Wait lang kita. Okay, so the last message. Batang message. Ano? Magandang sige. Wait. Okay, last message from Shirley.
Thank you, everyone, and it's
From your heart.
thank you, and it's been the very best birthday I've ever had. Thank you.
Birthday, Shirley.
Okay, so before that, dungan niyo mo ang happy birthday kay Sherlina. At the count of 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Sherlyn! Happy birthday! So, ano pa na ulit ha? Gagana? Sila Misa? Okay, sige, joke lang. Gagana ko na, pili na takakaon. Okay, let's eat. Music, please. Okay, start eating and dancing. Okay. While getting your plates, you can dance through the table. Sige na. Amat na. Thank you sa dayan ka nag-witness sa ating short program. Palihog ang way para ka panyapon. The table is always ready sa panyapon. Pahahaw ihapon. While nag-ihapon ang iban, pwede man siguro mag-video kay anay kita kasi Elmer. O palihog ang mga way pakapay kay hapon. Ihapon anay kita. While nag-ihapon ang iban, pwede anay mag-video kay nakatapos doon kay hapon. Ang way pa kay hapon,